The 1968 Ford Mustang GT fastback driven by Steve McQueen in the movie Bullitt is one of the most iconic cars in film history. The car's fate, however, remained a mystery for decades, becoming a legend in its own right. For the filming of Bullitt, two identical Highland Green 1968 Mustang GT fastbacks were used. They were heavily modified by veteran car builder Max Balchowski to withstand the high-speed action of the now famous chase scene through the streets of San Francisco. One Mustang, known as the hero car, this is the car shown in the pictures of this video, was used for close-ups and general driving scenes. It was kept in relatively good condition. The other Mustang was the stunt car, tasked with enduring jumps, crashes and high-impact stunts. This car suffered extensive damage during filming. After production wrapped, both cars disappeared from public view. The hero car, which is what's shown in the pictures of this video, was sold to a private buyer in 1974. For years, its whereabouts were unknown. Steve McQueen himself tried to track it down, writing a letter in the late 1970s to its then owner, Robert Kiernan, offering to buy it. Kiernan refused, and the car remained tucked away in his garage in New Jersey. For decades, the Mustang was a family secret. Robert Kiernan occasionally drove it, but when the car broke down in the 1980s, it was parked in the garage and left untouched. After Robert's passing, his son Sean Kiernan inherited the car and began restoring it, though he kept its identity a secret. In 2018, the hero car was unveiled to the world at the Detroit Auto Show, stunning fans and car enthusiasts. Despite its rough appearance, bearing the scars of its on-screen exploits, it was undeniably the real Bullitt Mustang. The car has since been showcased at various events and remains an irreplaceable piece of cinematic and automotive history. The stunt car's fate. The stunt car wasn't as lucky. After being battered during filming, it was sold to a scrapyard. For years, it was believed to have been destroyed. However, in 2017, the stunt car resurfaced in Mexico. A family in Baja California discovered the rusted Mustang in their possession while planning to restore it. They soon realized its significance and brought it back to the United States. Unlike the hero car, the stunt car was in extremely poor condition. It underwent extensive restoration while preserving key elements of its original modifications. The rediscovery of both Bullitt Mustangs within a few years of each other was a monumental moment for car enthusiasts and fans of the movie. The legacy of the Bullitt Mustang. The Bullitt Mustang represents the intersection of Hollywood and car culture. Its raw, powerful presence in the film, paired with Steve McQueen's iconic performance, cemented it as a symbol of cool. Today, the hero car remains in private hands, while the stunt car continues to draw attention at car shows and museums. Ford has honored the Bullitt Mustang's legacy with special edition models in 2001, 2008 and 2019, paying homage to the original. Yet, the mystique of the original cars, once thought lost forever, remains unparalleled.